Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today we saw the market roller coaster, right? Early this morning, people were excited because the markets were still green. They went back green despite the inflation news of being 7.5%, and then they start to come back down. Before we go too far in, you guys know what to do, right? Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I post videos. So, the market was looking green. It was looking beautiful. I mean, y'all, when I woke up today, not when I woke up, but when the market opened, I was like, this is a little, peculiar. And I was like, okay, it's going up, it's going up. I was like, maybe I should try and make some money on the way up. But I was like, nah, we're behind the news. I'm not even going to play with them. On top of the fact that there was news of a surprise Fed meeting on Monday, right, due to the inflation rate of 7.5%, because it was higher than expected. They were already talking about being aggressive. There was a Fed president like, hey, we definitely need to push to be more aggressive to increase the interest rates higher than we anticipated. So instead of just 0.25%, I think they're going for a 0.5% interest rate hike. So that's going to make the market, push the market down a little bit more though, right? But we know financials are going to profit from that. We've been moving into financials. We've been rotating already, right? Been taking advantage of these ups and downs of this roller coaster. Hopefully you guys, taking your profits where you can. Y'all been watching the channel, so y'all know when I'm telling you, hey, I'm thinking about taking profits here or whatever, or don't buy here, wait till it come back down. Hopefully I've been paying attention to that, right? Because a lot of people who saw Shiba Inu running up, they bought it in the 30s thinking it will continue to run. And I told you guys, hey, this is not a buy zone. And they hit me up like, man, it's coming back down. What should I do? Should I get out? And I advise them, no, you're already in here. You're already holding the bag. Dollar cost average in once it reaches the bottom. Once it comes all the way back down to that 4 zeros and 20, average down. Bring your average down. Put the same amount of money in. Bring your average down. Bring it down about, a good percentage. And then you keep going. You wait for the next run up. But right now, do not panic sell. That's the problem, right? People panic sell. And that's what's going on right now. So we had two bad news. Inflation rates higher than expected. And the Feds are having a surprise meeting. All kinds of FUD being spread. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt being spread. Oh, they're going to increase the interest rates early. Oh, we're going to have 7 interest rate hikes. Oh, just everything. Lots of rumors, lots of bad news. All of these things proven to be negative catalysts. But the market still ran up early this morning. And I'm not certain why. I'm not sure what pushed them up. But I know that they did come back down the last couple hours of the day. I mean, they came down hard. I mean, everything that we gained, you pretty much lost, right, throughout the day. And we're going back into that, what we talk about, that correction territory. So let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at what we had for today. So we got the SPY right here, down 1.97%, the SP 500. We have the Dow Jones down 1.49% for today. And we have the NASDAQ down 2.78% for today. Now, you guys can see here, right? You see these numbers. Look at this. And this is early in the day, right? 9:48 Central Standard Time. It was up 1.44%, right? And it was hanging out, just pretty flat. And all of a sudden, how we go from being up and just chilling throughout the day, majority of the day, chilling all the way through lunch. And now look at it. I want to say it's about right here, right? At about 1:20 Central Standard Time, this thing went south. It was like, nah, I've been holding strength. I'm sick of it. And boom, it just came down, right? We started to tumble. And it was pretty much the same for everyone. The Dow Jones as well. Look at it. It's just hanging out, y'all. It's pretty flat. And all of a sudden, we had the atomic drop right here at about, again, 1 o'clock, 1:20. And that's for each sector. Each one of these indexes. So, and that's no telling how much further it came down in the after hours. Okay, it didn't come down much, but today being Friday, we know after hours doesn't move the same, right? Let's check out the Russell 2000. On today, down just a 1%. Not too bad, but again, look at this time frame, right? Right around 1 o'clock, 1:30. 1 o'clock, 1:30, this thing dropped, right? We went from being flat on the day to a complete tumble, a complete drop. And that hurt many people. Hopefully you guys weren't buying on the green day. Hopefully you guys, been buying on the way down and taking advantage of the profits. But also, do not be afraid of this, right? This is an opportunity. This is an opportunity. The second opportunity you got within the first 2 months of the year to buy low and wait on returns. This is your second chance, right? You get a second chance this year. And who knows how many other chances we'll get, especially with news being the way it's been. I mean, are we going to get an early interest rate hike on Monday? Is it going to be a higher than expected interest rate hike in March, mid-March? Who knows, right? Are there going to be more than 4? Are there going to be 7? Are there going to be 5? Who knows? So much uncertainty, so many different variables that's out there. We have to be prepared, though, right? We're going to continue to dollar cost averaging to these things. So we're going to put a piece of the pie. You guys know I have a video, how to invest during a stock market crash, right? How to make money on the way down or on the way up. And we'll probably get deeper into options, I guess, as we continue to go along. I'll try and teach more of those. But it's a lot of things that we can do in this market to take advantage of the drops and the prices and to make money as we go. So crypto coming down with the market. It reacted the same way to the news. So again, hopefully some of you guys have been taking some profits. Hopefully been paying attention to what I've been telling you. Hey, this thing's coming down. Hopefully you made your 20, 50%, whatever percentage you made on your dollar. Hopefully you made that. And I'm not saying I wouldn't sell. I'm not even selling a lot of my cryptos. I'm holding on. I'm going to average down. Now, if I was up big, if I was up 40 to 50%, I'm definitely not willing to lose that. I'm taking that, right? I did take that. I took about 30% off some of my cryptos. I have not sold any stocks recently. The only one I may consider selling some of on next week is SOFI. We'll talk about that a little later. But right now, man, look at it. Crypto's coming back down. Bitcoin down 1.52. Ethereum down 3.41. Crow down 4.17. Shiba Inu down 3.6. Doge down 3.66. Luna down 2.24. And again, these aren't scary prices. The Mana down 7.08. Sand down 2.82. So again, these aren't terrible prices, but take some profits, guys. Take some profits. Make sure you put some money back in the bank. You got to pay yourself, right? You ain't out here working hard, investing in to not get paid. So make sure you take some profits out and get paid. Now let's take a look at SOFI. I know we mentioned SOFI several times, right? And this is because, again, I told you guys there's been a lot of news behind it, and I'm going to break it down. So SOFI, I want to say in the past month, already did a beautiful squeeze, right? It was down here at $12 and shot all the way up to, it was actually about $16. I'm not sure why this shows 15. It was higher than this. It was about $16 and some change, right? Yeah, slaying 15 was about $16 and some change. It shot up. That's a nice, beautiful squeeze, right? And a lot of us made money, right? Because I had just spoke to you about this the day before, and then it came all the way back down in the coming days to 11.10. Well, Sunday, I think they're saying let's look at it, right? SOFI news. So first, SOFI has earnings in March. I want to say March 1st. That's big news, right? Especially when people know that they've done well. Second of all, SOFI is going to be mentioned in the Super Bowl. Third, they have their bank charter being approved. Fourth, apparently the major hedge funds have run out of short interest plays on SOFI, so it's supposed to be a matter of time before it's a short squeeze. So now for those of you who don't know what a short squeeze is, right, let's check that out. What is a short squeeze? What is a short squeeze? A short squeeze is an unusual condition that triggers rapidly rising prices in a stock or other tradable security, right? An unusual condition that triggers rapidly rising prices in a stock or other tradable security. So we're looking for SOFI to short squeeze. There's a lot of news, a lot of rumors saying that SOFI could potentially have a short squeeze, and we're looking forward to that. We want to take advantage of that. So buy SOFI stock, analysts say the fintech is set to deliver strong revenue growth. Again, I'm telling you guys what I've been doing, right? I like the price under 14. It's currently sitting at $12.60. I mean, this is a good price in my opinion. If you can get in here it might be a good time to get in, make you about 10 to 20%, get out, maybe more than that. Who knows? Who knows what can happen with this thing on Monday? Monday morning, though, I'm hoping to see this thing go great, go to greatness, go to glory. I mean, I want to see it go to the moon, and then I'm going to take some profits. If not, I still like it as a long-term company. I actually have a call option, a long-term call option out till March. So after earnings, I'm trying to profit off there, right? I saw them come down a little bit today. I bought me a call option going into earnings about, I think it was March 4th. I not remember what my strike price was. So I had to share that with y'all later on. But I definitely have a call option on this with expectations that they're going to knock it out of the park for the next coming weeks. So hopefully you guys are in on this. Maybe, maybe not. You can sit back and watch, and I'll report y'all. Y'all know me. I'm going to let you know if I make money, because I want y'all to see it. I want us all to win, right? That's the goal. So rest of the stock market. I mean, I don't really see any reason for us to go into each individual one, but it's pretty much blood red, right? Blood red all around with the exception of energy. This is what energy does. When the rest of the market goes blood red, energy like, nah, partner, I'm straight, I'm chilling. They're gonna hold their position. They're gonna continue to see some gains, and they're gonna be just fine. They're gonna continue to be just fine. They're currently at $70.78 on XLE. That's the one I put on our watch list, and especially for me, I'm definitely gonna jump in this joker, y'all. I've been playing around, watching it move. I've been waiting on it to come back down to about $65, I want to say, but it hasn't done that. So I haven't bought any yet. So again, just keep this thing on your watch list, right? Keep this on your watch list. That's all I really have for you guys right now, aside of keeping your eye on crypto. Be sure to take some profits this weekend in crypto if you want to, or you continue to average down depending on how you want to play it, on how you feel. Monday, I look forward to seeing what SOFI does behind the Super Bowl and any other endorsements that they might have coming into this weekend. The Feds, we're gonna be looking out for word on the Fed speech on Monday. It could go bad, guys, so I hate to end it like that, but it could go bad. We could see the market come further down depending on what the Fed deliver to us on Monday, what kind of news they give us. So in my opinion, I think it's good that they want to meet early, because this gives us a sign that, hey, we want to do whatever we can to kind of get the inflation prices down and to help the economy, and that we're willing to act more aggressively. But the stock market does not like that, right? It doesn't like that. It doesn't like the uncertainty. It doesn't like the fear that comes behind it. Hey, what may happen, what may or may not happen. And businesses and hedge funds most definitely don't like it, because that means that the debt that they have is increasing because of those interest rates. But yeah, that's what I got for you guys, right? Hopefully you guys make some money through the weekend. Tomorrow, you guys know we're going to probably do our Saturday Night Live. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see, right, how we feel. Also, we're going to be looking at other ways to invest, right? I've been doing a lot of research, and I've been getting really curious on other ways to invest, other ways to make our journey to become wealthy more diverse, right? More variables, add more variables, more ways to make money. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it tonight. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining me on Journey to Become Wealthy, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.